Pop quiz, take out a pencil. Marketing in your business online and generating an actual ROI takes A, content, B, time, C, money, D, expertise, or E, all of the above. Time's up, pencils down. It's E. If you've been watching my videos, you actually would have known this. Why aren't you watching my videos? But the reality is, I should have thrown in a couple more. F, the right message, G, a good product, H, tracking, I, adjustments, and Z, a bit of luck. Which brings us to the problem of online marketing and what most of you are being sold. Not all online marketing campaigns are going to succeed. I know, stunning. You've probably been promised that your online marketing campaign is going to be one of the exceptions and tomorrow you're going to be on page 1 of Google. That's not the case. 48% of all online marketing campaigns are going to fail. I actually think it's a lot worse, but Fortune magazine just came out with that number this morning, which I think they just pulled it out of the air. But you can go Google it and you'll find that majority of online marketing campaigns are gonna fail. That's just the way it is. This is a big problem because you're probably spending money right now on an online marketing campaign that is not going to succeed. And you might say, hey, I'm not part of those 48%. So if you're spending $250 on a marketing campaign, that's funny. The fact is that online marketing follows the exact same principle as everything else. It's the 80-20 rule, which I kind of think is more like the 90-10 rule. It's basically the rule of the vital few. Think about it logically. The first 4 positions on Google are saved for those who are willing to spend money. After that, you've got the Google Maps, which the top position there is for the person who is willing to spend money. So do you really think you're going to take that #1 spot by putting in minimal time, money, and effort? I don't think so. And that's what you ought to know. Keep marketing.